Thank you for joining us. Today we have for you a remote starter installed on a Ford F150 2018. This vehicle we've used the IData start system and we've used a specific T-harness. On the factory remote you press the lock button 3 times. The vehicle receives the commands and in a few seconds the car will start. The car will be running for a set time that we have set on the system. In this case it is 15 minutes. We also have installed an aftermarket Pioneer radio here with a Maestro data system, and that actually gives the remote starter runtime on the radio. So we're gonna go to the radio, we're gonna see when the radio is running. We're gonna have the information showing on the radio in a few seconds telling us the remote starter running time. To do a key takeover, which means drive away, all you have to do is unlock the doors, have a seat in the car and put the key to the on position and drive. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our channel to see our latest videos. See you next time. Have a great day.